subscriber, welcome back to my channel, people. First and foremost, happy Saturday to each and everyone. Guys, I've been getting a lot of feedback from the market vlog from Jamaican people living in the States and all over. I've been getting a lot of great comments from other people who are not Jamaican about the Jamaican market. And from I get to do the last Jamaican market, I don't really get to upload no more. So we're in the festive season, which is the Christmas season now. So I'm going in the market to get some sorrel, some ginger and other basic things. So you know, from me I go to the market now, people, you know, so me I go bring one with me to the market. So we are call the taxi now, and then when the taxi come, I go show now we are going at the taxi, go down at the market, downtown Saramah. So peace out, guys. People, we are head in the town of Saramah, you know. Guys, so I'm going to link my brethren as usual, come get some planting. Bar stall full of a planting and pear. So I just come link him and get the ginger. So I'm going to go walk in the market and see if me see no sorrel. You come say sitting on the camera?
Yeah. This is a real place, the Saramah market, because you can get everything. Wholesale, retail, anything we want. And we have the real type of goods there.
We always a support. We always a support the people them, because you don't know, so we have to support the local farmers.
See them have one thing. See them have the real pumpkin to make your soup. That means nobody can keep fit and strong and healthy. See there. The real type of pumpkin, if you don't get that one, you're not get no pumpkin. You're not make no soup.
Real Jamaican food. So we are kicking it in the market today, guys. So we are going to walk and I want to try to see if we can get the sorrel as promised. So we get the ginger and things. So we are going through here now. So I still come back on you. So we come back on you. Go walk, go look if we see no sorrel in the market. So that's how the thing come down to the start the vlog.
Everything get missing. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, go on.
Ma'am?
So guys,
Yes, sir, Cherry.
go on. People, you see how the market look good. Come on, only in Jamaica you can get them a good Jamaican street food videos. So we still are trying and see if we find the sorrel. But we don't find on sorrel yet, so we still are scroll through and look and see what go on. So guys, we finally find the sorrel. So I show you what go on. So I buy 2 pounds of the sorrel, because I don't think I want more than 2 pounds of the sorrel. So the sorrel them I get 2 pounds of them. The go up from the goat, I go draw them. So guys, we get the sorrel, carrots. Remember, but we get the things that we need, so I go and walk and say, I see nothing more in the market. Guys, look how I buck up in the market. I buck up for one of my nieces in the market. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, guys. How are you?
I'm on, so we are kick it. I go check for my miserable brethren and I want to get some plant in front of him, and then make head up to go on my yard. You know. Guys, you know, we get through down at the market. So I go back up, you know. So I wait for the taxi and then head back road on Fimi side, you know. So guys, I reach back home, you know. Just I make you know, say I reach back home. Guys, the town is so busy. The amount of people there in the town, and it's like some of them not even wearing a mask, some of them not even a social distance. But just like make you know, so we reach back home, so I cool off and then go pack out the things them, and then I hit that. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another great morning with Caribbean vibes cooking. You know, yesterday was a great video, guys. I had so much fun in the market. Trust me, the market was so crowded with people shopping for the festive season. People buying all type of stuff, sorrel, ginger, you name it. But it's always a pleasure and it's always nice to do the videos in the market. So today we wake up and say what to do for dinner. So today I do some white rice, I do some curry chicken foot and some sweet potato salad. So that's what I go do today for my Sunday dinner. So guys, so I just done cut up the chicken foot, wash off with some vinegar. So I show you the step how me season the chicken foot and how me clean up the chicken foot. So I can't go at the outdoor kitchen now. So see the chicken foot there, guys. I just done clean up it and cut them up in small pieces. And for seasoning, I use 1 spoon of all-purpose season, which is Maggi, 1 spoon of chicken season, some garlic, and I chop up the garlic. I use thyme, I use a green pepper, I use 1 white onion, 2 stalks of scallion. So I add in the garlic, people now see me, guys. So I add in the chop up thyme, the green pepper, I add in the onion, I add in the scallion, and I add the powdered season. So remember, I am going to rub in the season and taste to see if it is too salt or it is too fresh. So this is the chicken foot after seasoning. Marinate here. Just wrap it with some plastic wrapper and just put it in the refrigerator to go and soak the season. So I'm adding some cooking oil in the pot. Just make it go on hot. Then I go burn the curry. Add some curry in the pot. Guys, can you see him? So add some curry. Make sure that the curry burn before we add the meat in it. Yeah, man. So when you burn the curry, then you get the curry to get mild. See the chicken foot that people play, see that? Some crushed tomato seeds. Add some more flavor in the pot. So guys, I will peel these 3 sweet potatoes because of them I will use to make the sweet potato salad today. This is the sweet potato after cleaning up. So what I do now, I just put it in some fresh running water and I just add some cooking oil in the water. So that will help with the sweet potato not to change color. So we are adding the sweet potato in the pot now. wash them off, add them in. So I add 1 teaspoon of salt in the boiling water. Yep. Check on the chicken foot pot same time. See that? Chicken foot are cooked. Check on the chicken foot, people. Chicken foot are cooked. And one, you know, so I go show you in the pot. So I'm just stir the pot there a little bit. Then come show you the chicken foot pot. One curry chicken foot today for dinner. White rice, sweet potato salad. I check on the sweet potato. Gone 5 minutes now because I time it. Because I don't want the sweet potato to overcook. So 5 minutes. And it's good to go, so I'm going to take it off now. So for the sweet potato salad, I'm going to use some mixed vegetable, some sweet pepper, some chopped scallion, some chopped tomato, and mayonnaise, of course. The sweet pepper, scallion, the tomato, and then the mayonnaise. And this is my way of making the sweet potato salad. Just mixing in the vegetables and all of the ingredients into the potato salad. This is, as I said, this is my way of making the sweet potato salad. And it is looking lovely. So I am going to taste some of it. Guys, maybe I have to finish the vlog inside because right now rain will come down. But we're just checking on the chicken foot. So the chicken foot cooked and it is tender enough where it can be eaten. So I'm gonna add some carrot, Irish potato, sweet pepper. Guys, so water boil up for the rice pot, so I'm go add half stick of butter, add piece of scallion, some thyme. So the chicken foot looking good. The rice pot, the pan fire same speed. I go wash the rice and I add in the pot. Add the rice in the pot and yeah, the dinner almost finished, people. A little bit, that's the rice and really hitch up one place in the pot and then cover. So I'm gonna check on the chicken foot. So you dry down now. So we take it out and guys can see that. And See that? As you know, when we cook this today, a lot of people gonna be asking for it, asking to feed them. So guys, we just check on the rice. So the rice done steam. So apparently everything done cooked. The meat done, the salad done. So it's just for me to do the plating and show you guys what I go on. Guys, my sweet potato salad, curry chicken foot and white rice. Guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscription button and turn on your post notification bell so when I upload a content, you'll be the first to be notified.